Hi everyone, Greg here from Defoo. We're an IT and cybersecurity service provider based in the UK. Today we're talking about the secure use of cloud services. With more businesses shifting to cloud-based solutions, it's essential to understand the risks and how to mitigate them to keep your data safe. First, let's talk about choosing the right cloud provider. Not all cloud services are created equal. Make sure you choose a reputable provider that offers robust security features, including data encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits. It's also a good idea to review their data privacy policies and compliance certifications, such as ISO 27001 or SOC 2, to ensure they meet your industry's security standards. The UK's National Cybersecurity Centre has some great guidance on how to choose the right cloud service provider for your business. I'll link it in the description of this video. Next, manage access controls carefully. One of the biggest security risks with cloud services is unauthorised access. Use role-based access control to grant permissions based on the employee's role within the company. This ensures that users only have access to the data and applications necessary for their job. Also, enforce the principle of least privilege, where employees are given the minimum level of access required for their tasks. Always enable multi-factor authentication for cloud accounts. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide a second form of verification, such as a text message code or authentication app prompt. This way, even if someone's password's compromised, they won't be able to access your cloud accounts without the additional factor. Now, let's discuss data encryption. Many cloud services offer built-in encryption for data at rest and in transit, but it's important to manage your own encryption keys if possible. This gives you greater control over who can access your data and prevents cloud service providers from having access to the keys. If you need a higher level of security, consider using end-to-end encryption, where the data is encrypted before it's uploaded to the cloud and only decrypted on your device. Lastly, establish a cloud usage policy for your team. This policy should include guidelines for which cloud services can be used, how data should be stored, and procedures for sharing files securely. Make sure your team understands the risks of using unauthorized cloud services, often referred to as shadow IT, which can introduce vulnerabilities. By following these best practices, you can securely leverage the benefits of cloud services whilst minimizing risks. Tomorrow, we'll cover access control and user management, another crucial aspect of cybersecurity. Stay secure.